Nobody was there.
Just come small brief about well, how do you about how do you feel on 2 years back you visit on the physically classes on
It's quite good actually because online it was really hard to understand and we weren't even able to interact with our teachers, right? So it was a very hard connection, and I believe that offline classes are way better to interact with who we are. I love new college teachers, and it's way better to understand. I feel it would be way easier now.
so how is following on the code processing on code processing?
Oh, it's quite better actually now. I feel like the teachers are taking quite good measures to keep us distanced, and as you can see, it's quite obvious. It's quite good now. And, yeah, I carry a sanitizer. Everybody is quite strict about it. We don't want a repeat of last year, right? So, yeah.
Your good name?
Tennessee Alfonso. Yeah.
Thank you. And
So it
2
feels
years
quite
back.
nice to be back to school after 2 years. It's quite boring at home, and we can't really interact well with teachers from on online platforms. So it's very nice.
So how is the protocol of the safety and all of you?
Actually, when they announced that they're going to open up the school, I was quite scared that what are they going to do? Is it going to end up the same way? But now when I'm seeing this, I'm quite confident that schools are going to reopen normally very soon because of the arrangements and stuff.
So you were longing to be back in the school.
Yeah,
Your good name?
Gopal Kataria.
Thank you. Long back you have physically visit today as I attend on the classes. How do you feel?
I feel actually very good because sitting at home and I'm the only child, so sitting at home was very boring, and now as I see people, and we all know that humans are socially very active, and so that I can socialize now, I'm very happy.
So how are you seeing on the code processing, code follow?
Here in this
Yeah.
our school especially, they have taken very good measures, and every single day they fog all the classes and sanitize everything, and now as you can see they have even parted ways for the students to go on different floors, and even they check the temperature and make sure we wear our masks every single time.
Okay, did you wanted online school or prefer offline school?
I would say sometimes online, like after classes and all, when teachers take, it would be better if it's online, and I think school should be offline strictly because online we all know how it's going, and offline really benefits us, and we can interact with everyone and we can clear our doubts, not all with the students and also with the teachers, and we can help each other.
Your good name?
My name is Isha Patel.
Thank you.
सी आमकां सर्क्युलर मेळ्ळें गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान की तुमी 18 तारखेच्यान ऑफलायन क्लासीस सुरू करात म्हणून. आनी आतां अशी गरज आशिल्ली की दीस इज अ टायम वेरेन वी रिक्वायर टू टेक एग्जाम्स. सो वॉट वी डिसायड, आमी कितें विचार केलो की आतां सद्या आमी ऑफलायन क्लासीस घेवना, तर आमी आजच्यान ऑफलायन एग्जाम स्टार्ट केल्या 11वे खातीर आनी 12वे खातीर. आनी ही दोनूय स्ट्रीम येतना आमी अशी काळजी घेतल्या की सकाळीं 12वेची भुरगीं येतलीं, 8:30 ते 9:30 तांकां पेपर आसतलो आनी 9:30 पेपर जावन तीं घरा वतलीं आनी 11वेची भुरगीं तांकां 11 पेपर दवरला. सो दोनी एग्जामी मदीं बरोचसो गॅप आसा, जाका लागून हीं भुरगीं वतलीं आनी बऱ्याच वेळान मागीर 11वेची येतलीं. सो हाका लागून अशी गर्दी जावची ना. म्हजे जे स्टाफ आसात, टिचींग स्टाफ म्हणात किंवा नॉन टिचींग स्टाफ आसात, दे आर व्हेरी कॉपरेटीव. ताणें प्रत्येकाक तांकां काम दिल्लें आसा. फर्स्ट फ्लोरार वतना कशें वचप, सेकंड फ्लोरार खंयच्यान वचप, प्रत्येकाक सांगिल्लें आसा आनी त्या भुरग्यांक ते सगळें डायरेक्ट करतात. त्याच प्रमाणे हे जे एग्जामीचें टायम टेबल आसा हें आमी भुरग्यांक वॉट्सॅपार धाडिल्लें आनी वॉट्सॅपार आमी तांकां सिटींग अरेंजमेंटूय धाडिल्ली. आनी सिटींग अरेंजमेंट धाडिल्ल्या कारणान कितें जालें तर तांकां खंयच्या क्लासान वचपाचें हें तांकां खबर आसा, जाका लागून असो गोंदळ असो जावना. प्रत्येक जाणाक आपलो क्लास खंयचो हें तांकां पयलींच कळिल्लें आशिल्ल्या कारणान तांकां खंय तरी क्लासान व्हरपाचें, क्लासान धाडपाचो असो आमकां त्रास पडलो ना. दे ऑटोमॅटिकली दे मूव टू द रिस्पेक्टीव क्लासीस अँड ऑल द एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट ज्यो SOPs मेंटेन करपाक लायल्यात, सॅनिटायझेशन, फॉगिंग, हे सगळें आमी हाजेर सगळ्यांनी काळजी घेवन आमी सगळी एग्जाम अरेंज केल्या. आनी म्हाका इल्लोय दुबाव ना की आमचे कडल्यान कांय अशी हेळसाण जातली अशें हाजेर कांयच म्हाका दुबाव ना. एवरीथींग आय फील इज गोईंग वेल. थँक्यू.
एक भुरग्याची एग्जाम जाली, ती बरयल्या, मागीर ती टिचर्स हँडल करतली, कशें परी हँडलींग करतली?
अशें आसा, भुरगीं वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतल्यान आयल्यात हांगा. सो वी डोंट नो वॉट इज हॅपनींग वेर. म्हणून हांवें टिचरांक कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिलां की इन एनी केस टीचर पेपराक हात लावचो ना. तर प्रत्येक भुरगो आपलो पेपर जाता 9:30 पयली बॅच सोंपता, दनपारची बॅच 12 सोंपता. सो आफ्टर द पेपर दे वील पूट देर आन्सर पेपर इन अ बॉक्स. हाका लागून कितें जातलें तर टिचरी त्या पेपराक हात लावपाक फिजिकली टच दे वोंट डू. एंड आफ्टर दॅट आय हॅव द मल्टीटास्कींग स्टाफ वीच इज क्वायट एक्टीव. तांकां हँड ग्लावज दिला, तांकां सॅनिटायझर दिला आनी तांकां तांचे टास्क वॉट इज देर वर्क इज सेंड दीस बंडल ऑफ द आन्सर पेपर्स, कॅरी दॅट, put it in the corona oven. आमी corona oven 3-4 sets of corona oven is there. So we'll put those answer papers in the corona oven and then it will be handed over to the respective subject teachers. तशेंच मदीं 2 हातून जेन्ना 12वेची वता आनी 11वेची येता हाज्या मदीं आमी आमचे जे स्टाफ आसात, आमचे हावजकीपींग स्टाफ आसा, तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिला की प्रत्येक बेंच तो सॅनिटायज करपाक सांगला. आणि आफ्टर द फर्स्ट एक्झाम, दॅट इज फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग एक्झाम, एवरी बेंच, एवरी चेअर वील बी सॅनिटायज बाय देम. तशेंच टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द डे जेन्ना 12 एक्झाम सोंपतली, ऑल द क्लासरूम्स वी हॅव फॉगिंग मशीन ऑल्सो. वी हॅव ओन बिकॉज अर्लियर वी यूज टू हॅव द कंपनी, दे वूड कम अँड दे वूड सॅनिटायज. पूण ते खूब कॉस्टली अफेर जाताले. दे वूड ऑल्सो फायंड इट व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम अँड वी वर ऑल्सो नॉट गेटिंग देम इन टायम. So we have fogging machine also. So every day after the paper, okay, the classrooms will be fogged so that it will be made coronavirus free. And next day fresh we are going to start with that. You want the fogging machine?
It has got timer once we put the paper.
How long we put timer?
We put it for 5 minutes.
ऑनलाईन चालू आसलें ना. ओके. स्टडी करताले. ऑनलाईन आनी ऑफलायनाची
तुमकां कितें तुमकां बरें दिसता?
आमकां दिलें भुरग्यांकूच खबर आसतली.
ना, एज अ पेरंट तुमी हॅपी ऑफलायन चालू जालें ते स्कूल?
कितल्या इस्कॉलान शिकता तें मातशें सेपरेट न्हू, ऑनलायन शिकता तें मातशें सेपरेट.
ओके. आनी प्रिकॉशन्स तुमकां दिसता की इस्कॉलांनी बरी घेतला जी कोरोना?
हांगा बरी आहा.
Okay, म्हाका DD न्यूजाक जाय. Very much needed. I think physical classes should be started. I think for student, any student, that's the interaction with the teacher, with the friends. It's a must. It's a part and parcel of the life. Because online was a substitute for the deadly virus we were going through. I think the world has been recovering very well with this. and I think this is the must needed thing, because yes, online is helpful, but interacting with the student, with the teacher, with the friends, solving their difficulties, it is not possible sitting in one room. And when you interact, you get more ideas how to handle the paper. Now my daughter is in 12th, so she will be answering the board. So that, because board is a vast and 12th, so that I look into a better
Positive.
thing, that we started. Okay, only thing we have to take care of the sanitization, the social distance. Yes, it is been recovering, but it is the virus is not yet gone. So we have to take care of the precautions. And if we start, this is for 9 to 12th, I would recommend like this should be from 5th also, because if you see our student, uh, this is gone for a toss, like okay, and they're getting up late because they are not with their like schedule how we used to, like get up early, and all that things have been affected badly for their life.
Okay, your good name?
My name is Abdul.
So how you see the management doing the situation?
Yeah, but this like okay, the Vasant Rao Dampa had done it very well. Principal madam had done it like okay from the start, like last year when it came up. They had started very well. Whenever the exams were being conducted, they had done the fogging. Last year, the few exams were being held offline later than the second wave came. So whatever they had done it, maintained it very well. So
You're
I-
happy with it?
Yeah, very much happy. Even for the online classes, and they had kept their like okay they keep their teachers on the toes, actively participate and solve all their queries. So I'm like very much happy with this the management of the college.
Thank you.
But they give us maintenance grant. So in Goa, the aided schools get a maintenance grant, and from maintenance grant we are allowed to purchase all these things, whatever things are required for school. That is allowed. Yes, it is a divisible item. So that is a good thing at least in Goa, because government is cooperative in all such activities. Yeah, our staff comes early morning. They stand here. Some PTA members are also involved in all this process, and so they also come here for social distancing at both the time, at the time of entry as well as at the time of exit. Because at the time of exit it is more important. But we have conducted parents meeting, and then we have made an appeal to them not to make a crowd over here. Then we allow the vehicles to inside, but we have made an appeal to parents not to get down from the vehicle. That is a very important thing, and that parents has followed it. Last time also, last year, government has given us permission from November to April, and we have, based on that experience, we can run it very smoothly this year.
So any new SOPs have been sent by government for
Yeah,
this?
actually, it is same as what we have done last year. Yeah, but that is what COVID SOPs, and almost all teachers has done vaccination. That is another plus point of here. So vaccination is done by teachers. At the same time now sanitization, then alternate bench student seats. We are not say making crowd in the class. Only 12 to 13 students are made to sit in one class. That is another thing of for social distancing, you know.
Okay.
Decision of government allowing us to start offline classes, and since that we have started offline classes from today. Initially, now we are starting with the 10th standard offline examination and 9th standard, and immediately after the vacation we'll start offline classes.
Okay. So how is safety and